Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how many likes on TikTok to get paid. So TikTok doesn't pay creators based on the number of likes. Instead, payments are determined by the number of views and other engagement metrics. To be eligible for TikTok's Creator Rewards program, which offers monetary compensation, creators must meet specific criteria, and that includes be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, accumulate at least 100,000 videos views in past 30 days, post original content, and maintain a personal account in good standing, adhering to TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. Under this program, creators typically earn between $0.40 and $1 per 1,000 views. Of course, depending on factors such as video length, originality of the video, watch time, and audience engagement. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.